Welcome to the Seneca Skincare My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus skin cream brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Seneca Skincare? Blah blah blah, brr brr brr. What is Seneca Skincare? What are advantages of Seneca Skincare? What are disadvantages of Seneca Skincare? Could Seneca Skincare amp your sex life? How it works. Seneca Skincare. Seneca Skincare have any special discount? How to use Seneca Skincare. Seneca Skincare free trial available now? What are Seneca Skincare ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Seneca Skincare have any side effects? Seneca Skincare real customer result. Where to buy Seneca Skincare? How much cost? Does Seneca Skincare is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Seneca Skincare? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Seneca Skincare. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link amp, know complete information about your confusion.